With the 41S, you can achieve splice analysis never before seen in an active cladding alignment splicer. And pairing the 41S with the superior cleaving efficiency of the Bluetooth-enabled CT50 creates a powerful combination to better serve your splicing applications. Just as the 70S Plus delivers the highest quality splices and analysis in the market with core alignment technology, the 41S outperforms any available active cladding alignment splicer by utilizing core sensing technology. It senses fiber cores with Warm Splice Imaging to deliver splice loss estimates more accurate than those based solely on cladding alignment. The 41S accelerates your productivity with a 6-second splice time and a 25-second heat time. With the 41S, centering splice protectors over splice points is easy. Downtime is minimized with an extended life battery capable of up to 200 splice and heat cycles, while the long-life electrodes can last up to 5,000 splices and require no tools to replace. The carrying case features an expandable work tray, and the 41S easy-to-use 5-inch touchscreen monitor displays the navigation menu clearly even in direct sunlight. The portable 41S is ruggedized for shock, rain, and dust resistance. To make your work easier and more efficient, the 41S analyzes fiber cleave end shapes and uses its Bluetooth connection to signal the CT50 to automatically rotate its blade when the current blade position is expended. The cleaver blade can also be advanced manually with the simple touch of a button, and the easy-to-read blade position indicator clearly shows the selected position. Surpassing the CT30's blade life of 48,000, the CT50's blade can yield up to 60,000 single-fiber cleaves or 5,000 12-fiber ribbon cleaves. The CT50 can also accommodate longer stripped fibers than the CT30, and its built-in scrap collector conveniently stores fiber shards until they can be safely discarded. To reduce downtime and operating cost, the CT50's fiber clamps and blade can easily be replaced by users in the field. And as an industry first, the durable CT50 can withstand severe shock from all directions, including drops up to 76 centimeters. Backed by the best service team in the industry, the 41S Splicer and CT50 Cleaver work together to enable you to achieve optimal splice analysis and cleaving efficiency in your splicing applications.